you don't want to miss this airdrop. This airdrop is ZK exchange. So the good part of this airdrop is your trading volume is going to count towards the amount of token you'll be able to receive. Let's say, for instance, you come to this exchange right here. You come to this exchange, and you trade $100 worth of BTC or any trading on this exchange. So you will get equivalent of 100 worth of this token exchange. And right here, this is the first ZK Rollup exchange airdrop starts now, and this event start quite long time right now. I just discovered about this airdrop, and right here the airdrop is going to end at 31st of August. And here's the information you need to know about this event in this video. Make sure you stick to the end of the video so you understand the whole process. And right here, the whole process of participating in this event is, let's take for instance, if user trade a multiple cryptocurrency this week and he has total trading volume of 1.1 million plus of volume, and he's going to receive 1 million worth of this ZKB. So with $5 or $50 or $100, you'll be able to trade various of coin right here on this exchange, crypto exchange right here. And one thing I think, or I just need to sacrifice in paying transaction fee or paying fees on any token you buy, you can just come over to this exchange right here, press sign up. When you sign up, I'm going to leave my via link in the video description, so or every useful link you need in this airdrop on thing, I'm going to leave everything in the video description. So use my link to create your account in this exchange. So once you use my link to create your account, and you come right here, you come right here and buy $100 worth of BTC, and you go again, you sell, you buy $100 worth of BTC, it's going to give you $100 volume. And if you sell it back to USDT, it's going to give you $200 worth of volume, but you'll be paying gas fee, let's say gas fee or trading fee on this exchange. So you can make a buying and selling a various of token on this exchange and pay roughly maybe $1 or $2 every day. So with $100 worth of USDT, you can buy and sell various cryptocurrency on this and accumulate a lot of volume. Right here, note your volume is going to count towards the token you'll be able to receive. If you get that right, again, I'm going to explain this again. If you come to the exchange and you are buying, selling for the whole week, you have volume of $1,000, and you will receive 1,000 worth of this ZKB token. And for instance, you can buy and sell forth and back, and video this exchange to have a lot of volume. So that's not difficult to do if you're willing to pay some transaction fee on this exchange. You can just come over here to this article. So I'm going to leave all useful link in the video description, so make sure you check that out, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And article is going to guide you full process on how to navigate this. And note, you just have to have some volume of this. I'll go again. Your volume is going to be determined on how much of this token you'll be able to get. If you have 100,000 worth of volume on this exchange, you will receive 100,000 worth of this token. And 29 days left, 5 hours. Right here, you can just come over here to check your volume right here, and it's going to take you to this page right here to press your ID on this website and check. Note, you can confirm this volume right here. You know, earlier I talked about you buying a certain cryptocurrency and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. If you're able to do this 20 times in a day, that is going to give you roughly 4,000 volume. If you are using $100 and you receive 4,000 of this token, and just check during the day, and you will see if you actually get these techniques I try to use in this event, maybe it's working or not. And this is all you need to know in this process and getting this airdrop. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.